This is Ben the EV guy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
What's up? This is MModified with another 60-second product review. Today we're going to focus on these inserts. They're carbon fiber ABS gloss overlay. They use 3M tape on the back to secure. Clean the area out, remove the red. Go ahead and slide this piece in. Align it, push down, and that's what it looks like, finished product. Less than 10 seconds for each piece. You can see the nice gloss finish. It has no impact to the actual function. Let's walk to the rear seat to see what it looks like as well. Similarly, the fitment is spot on, using carbon fiber glass overlay and 3M tapes in the back. Gives it that carbon fiber appearance. Personally, I'm not a big carbon fiber person, but
it does look nice.
I'm not debating that, and the fitment is spot on. And I will absolutely give these away. Just check out the contest requirement. Happy holidays!